Welcome to the viewers. We discuss today the sliding motion of a particle on a parabolic wire. Then how to solve it. For the part of the solution, we ignore all the conditions of the frictions, and this particle is acted by the gravity only. Let us consider x be the generalized coordinate and the parabola be given by y equals to half of x square. This is the conditions for the parabola, and it's our choice. Then Lagrangian is L, that is half of mv square formula. So here m will be mass and x dot square, that's a velocity square for x and y, and that's an mgy. But if we draw a figure, here we find that is x and y, and here that's a y equals to half of x square, and here it is g under the gravity. And now this is called L. Since y equals to half of x square, therefore y dot, that is half of twice x dot, is equal to x dot. We replace this value, therefore L equals to half of m x dot square plus x square x dot square minus mg into, that is x equals to half of x square, y equals to, so mg half of x square, that will be the final L. Now we use, that's a generalized momenta, that is P is equal to del L del x dot, but only consider this term will be 0, only we consider these terms, so it will be half of m and x dot, that will be 2x dot plus 2 x dot into x square, so that will be half into 2 m into 1 plus x square into x dot, so the result will be m into 1 plus x square into x dot. We find this result. Therefore we get x dot equals to p by m into 1 plus x square. And now Hamiltonian is h equals to t plus v, and now t is clearly that half of m into, and we finally put here derivable result, 1 plus x square into x dot square minus half of mg x square, and here it will be plus because velocity is plus, Hamiltonian, so half of m into 1 plus x square, and we finally substitute this value, that is p square by m square into 1 plus x square whole square plus half of mg x square, so that will be p square by 2m into 1 plus x square plus mg by 2 x square. This is the final result of Hamiltonian. Now we end our discussion. If you like this video, like it, share it, and give few suggestions if you have for the better improvement of this video, to comment, make us comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.